Maximum Comfort Heating and Air was established in 2006 and is family owned and operated. We have over 15 years experience in heating and air and serve Huntsville and the surrounding area with high-efficiency Maytag products. In fact, we are Huntsville's #1 Maytag dealer. Maytag, world famous for dependability, features units with up to a 24 SEER and up to a 12-year parts and labor warranty. Our staff of professional, highly trained technicians are bonded, licensed, and insured. We do new installs, ductwork, and replacement of existing heating and air units, and we do service work on all makes and models. Call us for free estimates on equipment replacement. Maximum Comfort Heating and Air.